Hey there, folks. Pliskin by 51 millimeter. And tonight I figured I'd do a different type of video. This is something that's been going on in the back of my head for a wee bit when it comes to politics in this upcoming year. It's an interesting question that I'm going to pose to you guys. It's one I've been thinking of for a while. What if Trump doesn't win in 2024? Think about that one for a little bit. See, because I noticed patterns. Around this time 4 years ago, everybody was all, Trump can win. There's no way Biden will beat him. All this shit going on when the pandemic started and the riots. There's no way that Trump won't win. I mean, his victory is guaranteed at this point. Look at the state of the country. And then come November 2020, what happened? He didn't win. And here we are again 4 years later, the country where it's at, economically, in the gutter basically. And everybody is just, Trump will win no matter what. I want Trump to win. It would be nice, but in the back of my head, patterns repeat. Here we go again. Like I said in that one video I made here a few days ago, I give this shit till March before it's looking like a repeat of 4 years ago. I don't want it to. People will hear me saying all this, and they'll be like, oh, you're just a liberal son of a bitch. Probably live on welfare and don't have a job or any of that because how dare you think or, even dare to entertain the idea of Trump losing in 24. Well, I don't know. Last time I was one of those people last time where I was all, it's just, there's no way Trump could lose. His victory's guaranteed. Biden didn't get out and campaign at all in 2020. And then look what happened. So all I'm saying is, it's kind of like a foreshadowing thing. God, I hope I'm wrong. I hope Trump wins by a landslide, but let's be realistic here. Think about it for a little bit. Especially when you look at Congress and the Senate and who's in charge. Every one of them fought him tooth and nail when he was president. Trump could have Trump did get a lot done when he was president. Don't get me wrong. We were sailing high. But he had to fight tooth and nail 24/7 against all the other politicians, Republican and Democrat, the media, and sure, there's probably another third faction in there I can't think of right now. The average day Joe. There's like nonstop riots 24/7 for 4 years straight. And then you had 2020 in there with the whole summer of love and all that. But everybody just, there's a lot of people that seem to think that didn't happen at all. Totally just blotted it out. But we're right here on the cusp. It's December 2023. We're right here on the cusp of an election year. So, while I would like Trump to win, it's important to keep the other idea in your head and the people who are running the government right now, because they hated Trump with everything they had. So, it's going to be an interesting year, these next few months. Like I said, I give it till March 2024 until it starts looking like a repeat. Considering that there's another, spooky virus in the works over in China now, from what I've heard. I don't really keep up on it a whole lot. I mean, I've been busy. I've been back at work. But when I do dip my toe back in to get a look at what's going on, to get a general idea, it just gets crazier and crazier each time I look into it. And neither side, I've been saying it for a while, neither side is worth a damn. Backing one side or the other 100%, it's just, you blind yourself to so much stuff, and the division is massive. It's insane, but it's been that way for a while, and it just gets worse each time I look at it. So, anyway, that's been my 2 cents. Figured I'd drop another nugget of information, an idea, if you will. Hopefully, I'm wrong. I hope I am, but you just don't ever know. And I really hope this didn't film upside down, considering how janky my phone's been. Anyway, this has been Pliskin. I'll catch you guys all in the next one. I had intended to go shooting, but the weather this week looks crappy. So I might do a gun video or two here in an hour or two, see what's going on. I'm off today. But, yeah, I'll catch you guys all in the next one. Peace.